Welcome to the LIC Customer Portal app, your one-stop solution to all policy-related queries. In this video, we are going to see how to log into the LIC Customer app using your email ID or mobile number, along with your date of birth and password. So, first we will select the LIC Customer Portal app on our mobile. Then we will select Registered Portal Users. This will take us to the login page. Now, on the login page, we will first select Login As by clicking the small drop-down arrow and choosing Customer. Then we will enter the user ID or email ID or mobile number in the next field. And after that we will enter our password. In the following field, we will enter our date of birth in the format, date, month, and year. Then, we will tap on the Sign In button. We will get an alert message, informing us about the migration to the new portal, and to re-verify our details by clicking on the link that will be sent to our email, as a security measure. Now we just need to click on OK. This will open a message, asking us to upload our PAN details, if we have not uploaded them yet. For now, we will click on Skip. Now finally, we are logged in to our app and we can see all the available services. Now, from our home page, we select the Basic Services option. Here we can access View Receipts, View Premium Calendar, Policy Schedule, Policy Status, Claim Status, Loan Status, Revival Status, Revival Quotation, Add New Policies, Policy Premium Paid Statement. We can also select Online Payment option to make payment online for renewal premium, advance premium, top-up ULIP plans, loan interest, loan repayment, and revive our lapsed policies online if there is no health requirement. Now, if we have registered for Premier Services, we can also view policy claim history and policy or proposal images. We can also select the service registration option to apply for a service request like loan request, change of address request, change of mode request, etc. We can select the grievance option, to register a new grievance, and also view the status of registered grievance. Finally, we can update our profile and change our password by tapping on to the Profile Management option. Thank you.